Hi, this is John with One Lens 2, and today I'd like to show you why you should always bring your super zoom camera with you wherever you go. This is Green Valley Park in Payson, Arizona in the United States. We can see some people fishing at the lake, but hold on, there's someone else at the lake who wants some fish. Wow, it's a bald eagle! I've been wanting to get a close-up shot of a bald eagle since I was a kid. So spotting one and having my camera with me was really exciting. Here's a picture taken with the P1100 in fully automatic mode. Although I did adjust the color and lighten the shadows a little in my photo editing software. Still searching for sushi, our special guest moved to another branch where I could zoom in even closer. At an optical focal length of 3000 millimeters, we can see the texture of the white head feathers and the bald eagle's impressive eyes. And then for a split second, the bald eagle looked right at me. Here's my favorite picture of the day. I was so excited to see this bald eagle. I was like a 5-year-old kid meeting Peppa Pig. This happens fast, but watch as the eagle spots a fish in the lake and flies off to get it. I had locked my camera into position on the tripod, so I wasn't able to turn the camera in time to capture this massive bird drop down to the lake and grab a fish. Well, there you have it. You never know what will be out there, so always bring your super zoom camera with you wherever you go.